are going to make tomato chutney, tomato, onion, coriander leaves, hot chilies, and lemon and ginger and black gram dal. So these are the items we have to keep ready. And after taking all these things, properly wash it and keep ready for the making tomato chutney. Now you take one vessel, and that vessel you add little bit of the oil, and after putting the oil, put the black gram, removal of the skin, the white color black gram pulse, we just add it on the oil and just stir it for some time, so that the color of the pulse, black gram pulse, become a light brown color. By the time you keep ready the ginger into small pieces. So now you just check frequently the color of the pulse. Yeah, now it is ready. See, it has become like brown color. Then you add the ginger, then you add the mirch, that is chili, and you also add garlic. Then fry for some more time. After frying some time, then we will be adding the onion. So after adding the onion, we have to stir it for some more time to fry all the item which is we have added. Then when it comes to more than 50-60% frying condition, so we keep our flame as per the requirement. Then we add salt as per our taste and requirement, and add it on the vessel. Again stir it properly for some more time. Then we add the tomato. Here the tomato and piyaj will be in equal quantity, and other items will be lesser than the we can say 1/4 of the total piyaj or conditions. Now we are just going on stirring the tomato. Still the tomato become so softened, and it has come to that stage that tomato has become totally boiled. So that is the best time to then we take it so that it can be, now you see it is ready for the cooking. Is that tomato is totally boiled now. So just we take it out and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes to become cool, because it's so hot. So after 10 to 15 minutes, now it is ready for making into chutney with help of a mixer grinder. So you put it into the
Put it in the mixer.
vessel of mixer grinder. Then you close it with the help of the cover. Now put it on the grinder and you start switch on the grinder. Now it will make the chutney. Ready. Our chutney is ready. Now tomato chutney. Then we pour it into the here. Since we have taken more quantity, so the small vessel content is small. So we are doing 2 times. If you have a bigger one, you can do it single time. After making chutney is ready, then we can little bit just for some amount of smell and all, we can add little coriander leaves. Yeah, beautiful present. Now this can be used for eating idli, dosa, and as well as rotis and all type of things. Very tasty chutney.